Hi there and welcome. Imagine creating professional videos without needing a camera, recording yourself again and again, or spending hours in an editing suite. What if you could also translate that same video into dozens of languages in minutes, reaching students across the globe instantly? Well, this is exactly what HeyGen allows you to do. And for busy educators like myself, it is a complete game changer. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today, I want to show you how this AI platform, HeyGen, can transform your instructional design and save you hours of preparation. Creating videos can be exhausting. You need the right setup, high energy, the endless time to record and edit. If you're trying to reach a global audience, the workload becomes impossible. HeyGen is an AI video platform that turns your scripts into videos using lifelike avatars, your own voice, and even a digital version of you. One feature that really stands out is the digital twin. With a short recording, you can create a version of yourself that captures your voice and expressions. You can then reuse it across multiple lessons without ever starting from scratch. Let me show you how this works. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the sidebar, the left sidebar, to the Avatars tab. You'll notice that there is no button specifically labeled Digital Twin. Instead, you click on Create Avatar. This is the entry point for the digital twin technology. The current Avatar V engine is incredibly fast. You no longer need long recordings. You only need about 15 to 30 seconds of footage. When you record, keep these points in mind. Use a quiet space with clear lighting. Speak naturally as if you're talking to your students or colleagues. Use your hands naturally. The AI learns your specific gestures and will replicate them in your future videos. The consent statement is very important. HeyGen requires a safety check to ensure you're cloning yourself and not someone else. You will be prompted to record a quick consent script. Once you upload your footage and consent, the system takes just a few minutes to build your twin. Another very important feature is the eyes. Look at them on the left and look at them on the right. You go into the three dots and eye contact correction, and then you get what you see on the right. I think this is absolutely amazing. After it is ready, you can go into the settings to add different looks, which allows you to change your outfit or background in the future videos without having to re-record the base model. So it's always you, but the changes are made to your avatar. Whether you're changing your location, your background, your clothes, so you can be in your pajamas. And I love this because it is so easy and saves you a lot of time. Now that your twin is ready, to use it, simply start a new project. Type or paste your script into the editor and select your avatar. You may have more than one, of course, and the look that you want. The AI will generate a video of you speaking that script with your exact voice and movements. This is a great way to scale your video production for online courses or professional development without needing to be in front of a camera every single day. What I find impressive is how natural it feels. The delivery is smooth and avoids that robotic feel often associated with AI tools. If you're ready to see how much time you can save, click the link in the description below to start your own trial and follow along with me. Another powerful tool is the video agent. Instead of just generating clips, it helps you build a full video from a single idea, supporting you with structure, visuals, and flow.
And then you'll see that it's very easy to do. So let's take a look at what we have.
And for those of you working with international learners, the translation feature is incredible. It translates your video into many languages while keeping your voice and matching your lip movements perfectly.
然后你会发现，这其实非常简单，然后你就能带着学生们一起做了。那么，让我们来看看这里都有什么。
Now, while I'm very impressed, it's important to be realistic. One trade-off is that while the AI is excellent, it may occasionally miss the specific emotional nuance or teacher presence that comes from a live, spontaneous recording. It is a tool for efficiency, not a total replacement for human connection. In terms of budget, HeyGen offers various tiers, including a free version to get you started. For individual educators, the creator plan is a manageable investment, though larger institutions may want to look into team plans for more credits and collaborative features. It is a professional tool, so there is a cost associated with a high-quality output, but the time saved is often worth the investment. It is also vital to mention that your content and identity are protected. Your digital twin belongs to you, and the platform requires strict consent and verification. For me, this is about supporting the human voice, not replacing it. Your ideas and your connection with learners still matter most. I want you to experience this for yourself. Click the affiliate link in the description of this video right now to get started with HeyGen. I would love to hear your ideas. How would you use a digital tool in your teaching? Share one specific way in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on integrating technology into your classroom. Have a great day.